Good morning, kids! I'm Teacher Lance and I'll be your teacher for today and for the rest of the semester. Today, we are going to study ordinals. So what is ordinals? Maybe this word is new with you. So now, let's go and explore ordinals. Ordinals means using numbers to show the position of numbers or the order of numbers. That is why we use the word ordinals, because it shows order, okay? As we can see here, in order to show ordinals or the order of the number, we must have a starting point. For example, here, we have the bus as the starting point, okay? This is the starting point. And the kids that are standing in line shows the ordinals. I will show you how it works. Hannah here, there is Hannah, Eleanor, and Tommy. Hannah, Eleanor, and Tommy. So how can we show ordinals? Through the three kids, okay? So let's go and explore how to show ordinals. As we can see here, Hannah is wearing purple sweatshirt. And Eleanor is the one with the dress. And Tommy is wearing an orange t-shirt and pants, okay? So Hannah is the closest to the starting point, right? The starting point again is the bus, and since Hannah is the closest to the starting point, Hannah is called the first, okay? Can you say it with me? Say first. Okay, first is the number one in the line, okay? Number one is first, okay? Next one is Eleanor. Eleanor is next to Hannah. So you can see here, there is Hannah and then there is Eleanor. So Eleanor is the second in the line or second of the queue. Okay? I'll say second. So as we can see here, Eleanor is the second in line. Okay? Eleanor is second in the queue. Okay? Okay, we have first and then second, okay? Hannah is the first and Eleanor is the second. Remember, when it is number one, it will be first. When it is number two, it will be second, okay? So let's go to number three. As we can see in the line, there are three kids, okay? Hannah and then Eleanor and next is Tommy. So Tommy is in the number 3. Tommy is in the number 3. That means that Tommy is the third in the queue. Say third. Third. Okay, so we have first, second, third. Okay, we have the starting point, the bus, Hannah as the first, Eleanor as the second, and Tommy as the third. Did you understand, kids? Very good. So here there's a line of animals standing in front of the tree. So here the starting point is the tree. Okay, the tree is the starting point. As we can see in the line, the dog is the closest to the tree. Therefore, the dog is the first. Say it with me again. Say first. Okay, number one is first, okay? And then next to the dog is a cat, okay? The cat is next to the dog. So the cat is second. Say it with me. Second. Because number two is second. Remember, kids, we have already first and then second. Next one. After the cat, there is a chicken. Therefore, the chicken is the third. Say it with me. Say third. Number 3 becomes third. Because chicken is number 3 in the line, it will become third, okay? So we already have first, second, third, and then what is going to be the next one? So the next one is the tiger. The tiger is next to the chicken. Therefore, the tiger is the fourth. Say fourth. Okay, we have 4 and it becomes fourth. Okay, we have first, second, third, and then fourth. Okay? Did you get it so far? Next one. After the tiger, there is an elephant. Look at the elephant. It is so big, right? Okay. Because the elephant is in the number 5 from the starting line or from the starting point, the elephant becomes the 5th. Say 5th. Okay, so we have the first, second, third, fourth, 5th. Okay, so that is our ordinal numbers from number 1 or from the first to the 5th. From number 1 to the number 5. Okay? So here we are going to have an activity. Here we have 5 boys running. Okay, in the picture in your book, there are 5 boys wearing a white shirt. Right? Okay, so what we're going to do is like this. We're going to see who among them is the first. Okay, who is the number 1? And then you're going to color it with red. Okay, the first boy in the race will have color red in his shirt. Okay, so color his shirt with red. Okay, the boy has a red shirt now. So number 2, color the second with green. Color the second with green. So the second placer will have the color green in his shirt. So you color it with green, okay? Remember, the first will be red, the second will be green, okay? And next one is the third. Color the third with yellow. Color the third with yellow. Okay, very good. So now we already have red, green, and yellow. So for the fourth runner, you're going to color him with blue. Color his shirt with blue. Okay, so this will look like this. Okay, so we have red for the first, green for the second, yellow for the third, and blue for the fourth. And what will we do with the 5th? For the 5th runner, we're going to color him with orange. Okay, so color him with orange on his t-shirt. Okay, so color him with orange. So it will look like this. Okay, so we have red with the first, green with the second, yellow with the third, and blue with the fourth. And for the 5th, we have orange. So the race will look like this. Okay, very good, kids. Next one, we have here 5 ducks. 5 ducks. Okay, they are white. So what we're going to do is to color them with the following colors the teacher Lens will say. So the first duck should have yellow color. So you should color the first duck with yellow. So it will look like this. Okay, as we can see, the first duck is already yellow. Next one is the second duck. So what is the color of the second duck? It should be blue. Okay, color it with blue, kids, and it will look like this. Next duck is the third duck. So the third duck should be brown. Color the third duck with brown. Good job. So the fourth duck will be red. Color the fourth duck with red. And for the fifth duck, color it with green. So it will look like this. So the first will be yellow, the second will be blue, the third will be brown, and the fourth will be red, And lastly, the fifth will be green. So this will be how it looks, okay? Okay, so for the next activity, we have the glasses, different kinds of glasses. And we have here the starting point on the leftmost part. Okay, this is the starting point. What is asked here is that we should color the 8th glass. The 8th glass. So the number 8 glass. So we're going to count from the starting point here on the left, and then we will count like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So here is the 8th glass. So we're going to color it, okay? Color the 8th glass. Any color will do. Did you get it, kids? We are going to color only the 8th glass. So only one glass will be colored, okay? Next one. We have here some cups. Okay? The instruction is that we should color the 6th cup. But this one is a little bit different because the starting point begins with the right corner. Okay, so here is the starting point. So we will begin counting with this part. Okay, so we will count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth. So this is the 6th cup. So we are going to color it. Okay? Alright, very good. So that is all for today. Today we studied how to order numbers, and we call it ordinals. Okay? Can you say it with me? Say ordinals. Very good. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and also I hope that you enjoyed this class. Goodbye and God bless. Happy learning.